This is the Ohio AgNet from the Voice You Know at the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Zidua, the most trusted name in herbicides, providing Ohio soybean and corn acres with up to 2 weeks more residual activity and broad-spectrum weed control. I'm Ty Higgins. New and now at OhioAgNet.com, USDA has awarded $14 million in trade development funding through its America First Trade Promotion Program, with support going to groups like the American Soybean Association and the U.S. Soybean Export Council. The investment's designed to expand global demand by helping international buyers better understand and utilize U.S. soy. That includes providing technical support, market data, and tools to encourage more purchases of U.S.-grown products. Industry leaders say the timing is critical as new trade opportunities are opening and global competition continues to grow. The funding's expected to help strengthen long-term market access and keep U.S. soy competitive on the world stage. Planned efforts include working with feed mills, food companies, and processors overseas, while also promoting soy-based food uses and sustainability initiatives tied to U.S. production. For farmers, the bottom line is simple. Stronger export demand can translate into better prices and more stable markets. With global demand continuing to evolve, this new investment could play a key role in supporting U.S. soybean farmers in the years ahead. You can read more online now at OhioAgNet.com. And Ohio farmers are receiving a financial boost as they head into the 2026 growing season. Farm Credit Mid-America returning a record $280 million in net earnings to eligible customer owners through its annual patronage program. The cooperative says the payout reflects its strong financial performance and commitment to sharing success with the farmers and agribusinesses it serves. Here in Ohio, that impact is significant. About $63 million will be returned directly to farmers across the state, helping strengthen operations at a critical time. Over the past decade, the organization has returned more than $1.7 billion to customer owners, reinforcing the long-term value of the cooperative model in agriculture. With tight margins, ongoing volatility, the return is providing added flexibility for farmers preparing for the year ahead. You can read more at OhioAgNet.com. Let's get a check of the forecast now with Ryan Martin, brought to you by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance. Online at seedconsultants.com.
Well below normal temperatures today. We started with frost and freeze conditions over a good chunk of the state. We are going to be seeing chilly air through tonight and into early tomorrow morning as well, but temperatures moderate tomorrow midday forward. We are going to be looking at above normal temperatures for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In the warm air surge, though, I think we have to deal with on again, off again showers and maybe a few thunderstorms tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. I'm Ryan Martin.
Thank you, Ryan. The Ohio AgNet feeding farmers this spring thanks to Ag Revolution and Paradise Energy Solutions. We'll be at this week's winning farm for the midday broadcast on Wednesday. And if your farm would like lunch delivered to the field this planting season, visit OhioAgNet.com/feedingfarmers. That's OhioAgNet.com/feedingfarmers to enter. We'll get a check of markets and analysis after this as the Ohio AgNet continues.
Are you looking for the latest in Ohio agriculture? Well, you can get it all in one place. The Ohio AgNet Podcast. Join us as we sit down with farmers, experts, and ag leaders from across the Buckeye State. From the latest news to interviews that matter, we're here to keep you informed and connected. Whether you're in the tractor, the truck, or the shop, we bring the conversation to you. Search Ohio AgNet Podcast on your favorite app or find it on Facebook or YouTube. Don't miss a minute of the Ohio AgNet Podcast. Subscribe today.
If agriculture is your way of life, you need news you can count on. That's why Ohio farmers turn to Ohio's Country Journal, your source for the latest in crop updates, livestock insights, market trends, and the stories that celebrate country life across our state. Every issue keeps you informed, connected, and ready for what's next in Ohio agriculture. So don't miss a beat. Renew your subscription or sign up today at ocj.com/renew and grow with the publication built for Ohio farm families. That's ocj.com/renew.
Welcome back to the Ohio AgNet. I'm Ty Higgins, and today's market analysis is brought to you by Louis Dreyfus Company. Excited to bring a brand new soybean crush facility to Upper Sandusky. Learn more about marketing your soybeans with LDC at 574-566-2113. According to analysts, traders will watch the Midwest planting weather for price direction this week. No threat yet. Exports and ethanol production are market friendly for April. Soybean traders are holding out for a peace deal in the Mideast that could increase chances of a U.S.-Chinese trade summit taking place next month. Cattle supplies remain tight and consumers continue to prefer beef and are paying higher prices to obtain it. Tight cattle supplies will continue. And hog futures are oversold, should find a new level at which buyers will take advantage of the lower price. Let's get a check of midday markets on the Ohio AgNet, brought to you by Seed Consultants, simply better performance. Online at seedconsultants.com. May corn 1 3/4 higher at midday, 450.5 a bushel. New crop December 477 3/4 and 3/4 to the plus side. Soybeans for May down 2 3/4 at 1164.5. November up a quarter penny at 1156 3/4. Wheat for July 6 cents higher at 605 1/4. September 618 a bushel and 6 1/4 to the good. Live cattle for April 72 cents higher at 250.67. June 247.95 and 60 cents to the plus side. Feeder cattle for May up 95 cents at 366.22. August 366.80 up by 112. And lean hogs for May 93.85 up 45 points. The June up 42 at 101.47. For the Ohio AgNet, I'm Ty Higgins. We'll see you down the road.